Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download GTA San Andreas for free. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Netflix app on your mobile device and sign in with your account credentials. Ensure you have an active subscription, as this is necessary to access the games. Next, get to the bottom and tap on the Games tab. If you can't find it, then just look for the Games section on the homepage. You can either browse or use the search bar to find GTA San Andreas. Once you locate the game, select its tile to access the installation page. Then, tap on Install. This will redirect you to your device's App Store or Play Store to download and install the game. After installation, launch it directly from your device's home screen or through the Netflix app under the Games section. Finally, log in using your Netflix profile verification, and you will be good to go. So that's basically how you can download GTA San Andreas for free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.